Hello, and good afternoon. It is Sunday, January 13th. So I recently just finished watching Tidying Up with Marie Kondo, and it's about cleaning and the Konmari method, which is taking all the things you own and keeping it if it sparks joy, getting rid of it if it doesn't. And I have a lot of clothes. And if you haven't noticed in my vlogs, I don't wear all of my clothes. So I have decided today I'm going to start going through my clothes. First step, I think I'm going to do my closet, because I have a lot of shirts that I don't wear that I thought I should go through and get rid of. I'll probably post it in a yard sale site and see if there's anyone who wants them. I won't get rid of I'll probably get rid of a lot of the shirts I don't wear, but I might keep a few that I do love that I can't fit in yet because I have been working out. I'm going ahead and I'm going to start KonMariing my closet. And then if I can get all that done in a timely manner today, it's already 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I've been so lazy all morning. I attempted the bleach earlier. That'll be in a separate video. And then I've just been laying in the bed watching Netflix. I watched a couple movies, but now I just took a shower. Again, I know it's 4 o'clock. I just took a shower, but I decided I am going to do all my clothes and probably the kids' clothes over the next couple days. Probably not Benji's because he's already told me I'm not gonna fold it like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it to our stuff, especially because the kids have a lot of clothes too, and I want to be able to see what they have. And I'm gonna go through and I'm actually gonna pull out stuff that they don't even wear ever, because they love what they love and they have a lot of clothes that they don't wear. So let me show you what I'm working with. So hold on, make sure. So this is clothes. Sorry, we didn't make our bed. So this is all clothes that I just brought up that were washed. And then in my closet, these are all like workout clothes, leggings. I gotta sneeze. Workout clothes. My leggings usually go here, and then my other pants. I have a ton of shirts, dresses, and then shoes. This is all summer clothes, which I might not go through just yet. I'll probably wait till summer to go through that. So I'm gonna go through all of that. This is Benji's closet, and then I have, because I've said it before, I own a lot of socks. So this is all socks. Sorry, the lighting over here sucks. This is all like my pajamas and tank tops and stuff. Benji, it's kind of weird because a lot of Benji's clothes are downstairs, because he gets up, he gets ready, and he doesn't like waking me. That was when he was on days. So he might move his stuff back up. I don't really know. He might keep it downstairs. I don't really know, but I'm going to go ahead and go through my stuff. I'm going to find a place to set this up so you guys can see everything. All right, first step, take all my clothes out of the closet. So my camera died, so I let it charge for a bit, but I wanted to show the progress that I have made. I am now going through everything from my closet and dresser. I've got my pajama pants, pants and skirts, workout pants, pajama shirts, shirts that needed to be hung up that were just thrown in the top, leggings, workout shirts. Don't judge me. I have a lot from when I was a huge gym rat, and I love most of them. Well, I love all of these ones. That's my pile of stuff I'm going to get rid of. I'm gonna finish going through this pile, and then I'm gonna go get my socks and start folding those the Konmari style, and I will show you guys what it looks like when it's all done. The folding process is just boring, so I don't think you guys want to see that. Plus, I'm just sitting here watching YouTube videos and enjoying a soda because I need some caffeine. All right, are you guys ready to see what I did? All right, so bedroom. Pile of stuff I'm getting rid of, mostly clothes, but there's a couple pairs of shoes. Some things like this are just gonna go straight in the garbage. They're very old. Some I'll see if Mandy wants. But bed, I even made the bed, folded our blankets. It's all empty. I moved my vanity downstairs because since Benji's gonna be on mids, he'll be sleeping during the day. And if I need to get ready for whatever reason, I can't do it up here. So we moved that downstairs into the guest bedroom so I can get ready there when he's up here sleeping for the next couple months. Probably when he's done or whenever we know we're gonna have a guest, we'll move it back upstairs along with all his clothes that are in the spare bedroom for when he gets ready. We'll move them back up to the bedroom. So behind me you could see the wardrobes used to be right here, and we couldn't ever get to the light switch because the wardrobes were covering it. So I went ahead and shifted a wardrobe over here. This is where the dresser was, but now the dresser's over there. We don't have a lot of storage space, so that's just a box of stuff that's normally in a closet. We just don't have a closet, and we haven't bought one yet, so please ignore that. That's my summer clothes and the AC for the bedroom, and then we've got Benji's wardrobe, and then my closet or my thing. But the best part, so my dresser was a mess, and now it's not. I've got all my sports bras and like, you know, comfy bras, millions of socks, underwear, and then over here are my fluffy socks that take up too much room. And then down here, I've got my pajamas, my swimsuit, tank tops, pajama shorts and shirts. And then you come over to the wardrobe. Ooh, I gotta stop swinging it open so hard. These are my pants. Not a lot of them fit me, if I'm being honest. Really just my one pair fits me. But like I said, working out, didn't want to get rid of them. Pants are expensive. These are all the next size down that I'd need. Leggings, I didn't get rid of any of those because I do love my leggings. Workout stuff. This isn't really Konmari style because you can't see everything, but they're just workout shirts. I can see most of them for the most part. My clothes still looks like I own a lot because I didn't get rid of a lot. I do love all of these shirts though. They all bring me joy. Dresses, sweaters, so be it. But another thing, these are just sweaters that I know I'll wear. Another thing I've seen before is to turn your hangers backwards. And then at the end of the year, anything that is still facing this direction is something you never wore in an entire year. You should get rid of it. So I went ahead and did that. And then I went through my shoes. These are shoes I don't wear very often. My shoes I wear often are downstairs. I've got a couple pairs of heels, winter boots, but I mostly just wear my black ones. So those I'll save for another year. Tennis shoes, workout shoes, flip-flops, and a pair of slippers. I also found these slippers in the closet. It's amazing what you find when you actually go through your stuff. So now it's all clean. It only took me about 2 hours. It's now 6 o'clock. And I mean, it wouldn't have taken me that long had I focused, but I was watching YouTube and doing it at the same time, so. But I'm pretty excited. I might actually move our bed too. I'm gonna see which way my husband likes it, if he likes it here, if he likes it the way we had it before. And if he likes it against the other wall, then we'll move it, but we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video since it was just me cleaning. And then I will make a different video when I decide to Konmari the kids' rooms, because that in itself will take me all day. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already, you should watch Tidy Up on Netflix. If you're like me and you enjoy cleaning, it's really good and I liked it. I've already finished the entire first season, but I liked it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, like and subscribe. If you haven't already, turn on the little post notification bell if you want to know when I post, which isn't very consistent, which is another thing I need to work on this year, is consistency with my posting. Hopefully I don't lose any more videos, because that has been a pain in itself. I'd post more often if my crap didn't delete itself. But thank you guys. We love you. We'll see you next time. Bye.